In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ManyChat to Instagram. We'll walk through the full process step by step. So even if you're new to ManyChat or Instagram automation, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, go ahead and log into your ManyChat account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu there. Find the option labeled Settings. It usually has a little gear icon next to it. Click on that to open your account settings. This is where you control things like channels, permissions, and other important configurations. Inside the settings area, look again at the left panel. You'll see a section called Channels. This is where you manage all of the platforms that connect to your ManyChat account. Under Channels, you should see an option for Instagram. Go ahead and click on Instagram, and then look for a button that says Connect. Click that button to start the connection process. When you do this, a new web page will open. This page is where you'll log into your Instagram account through Meta, which is the platform that manages Facebook and Instagram connections. Click on Connect via Meta. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter your login details. Make sure you use the credentials for the Instagram account you want to connect and that it's set up as a professional or business account, since that's required for ManyChat automations. After logging in, you'll be asked to select the business assets you want to share with ManyChat. This typically includes your business portfolio, your Facebook page if it's linked, and your Instagram account or accounts. Carefully choose the ones that you want ManyChat to access. You'll then see a review screen that shows exactly what information and permissions you're sharing with ManyChat. Take a moment to read through this so you're comfortable with what's being connected. Once you confirm everything, the page will reload and you should see a message saying that your account is connected successfully. There will be a button that says something like, Let's start. Click that to return back to ManyChat. Now that your Instagram account is connected, you can go back to the settings menu on the left panel inside ManyChat. Select Instagram again under Channels. From here, you can start setting up your Instagram messaging automations, such as automated replies to comments, story replies, and direct messages, all managed directly inside ManyChat.